the same as ever, clear and crystal blue. Take me back to Santa Chiara, for my heart is full of sorrow. Why is every single evening of my life a thought of Naples as it is and used to be? At the Capamonte fountain, long ago my heart was broken. Now I hear the people saying that the city could be changing. It will never be the same. To be afraid is a natural emotion. What if everything I heard was really true? If every heart in Naples has been broken, there'll be no riches to return home to. Memories of Santa Chiara, where behind four walls of silence, 10 women too sincerely fell in love and paid too dearly, chose to take the secret vow. Now the fountain on the hillside doesn't play for many lovers, and the innocence we treasured is abandoned and forgotten. It will never come again. I can't believe it. No, I won't believe it. I'm dying to sing Naples as it used to be. I'll have to go. Unless I do, I'll never know. Why is every single evening of my life a thought of Naples as it is and used to be?